What should you do when someone flirts with your partner in public? At a wedding for one of my closest friends, the celebration was joyous, until the uncomfortable flirting began. My friend's younger sibling kept making inappropriate advances toward my husband. At first, I brushed it off, thinking it was harmless. But as the night went on, she became more shameless, wrapping her arms around him and making flirty remarks. The final straw came when she refused to give him back his jacket, sniffing it as if it were a prize. Furious, I confronted her in front of everyone, saying, "Can you stop being so difficult? You've been shamelessly flirting with my husband all day." The room went silent, and I felt a mix of relief and tension. But the next day, I received a message demanding a public apology for humiliating her. The request left me conflicted. Should I apologize to smooth things over or stand by my actions to protect my marriage? My friend backed me up, acknowledging her sibling's behavior. But the situation spiraled into family drama. Now I'm left wondering if my reaction was justified, or if I risked ruining an important friendship.